Hey everybody. Oh, we got all of our posts set, gates up last night. I even got first coat of stain on in the dark, so it looks okay. You know, everything needed a second coat anyway. So right now I'm going to go get the tractor with Honey, and we're going to clean up around all the holes, and then we're going to put a second coat of stain on the post that Sparkle helped me set yesterday. Look, Honey's on the hunt. All right, so we're gonna get to it. Honey's gonna chase after me. All right, here we go. Hey, I just came to a realization that since living out here on the property, that my main commuter vehicle is a mid-80s Ford tractor. Growing up, never would have thought that was gonna be my primary vehicle. Alright, so the plan here with all of our holes here is I'm just going to fill in as much as I can and give it a couple stomps around. I'm going to rake up and put all the rest of the dirt in the bucket, and then right on the back of the house there's a couple low spots, so being it's clay, it'll be good for packing in there. Alright, this is what I'm going for with my post holes. My soil doesn't drain very well, and I don't want my post to actually be flooded when it does rain. So I'm going to be building like a small mound around them, and I know it's going to settle, but for now I want to just have a slight mound and let everything settle and let the grass grow. And it's better for like the freezing and thawing. So if water's just sitting in there all winter and, you know, freezing and thawing, chances of these posts moving goes way up. So each one is gonna have a slight mound to it to help move water away from it. And we have, I think, 17 more to go. Bad when first thing in the morning you have to put on bug spray. It's like these things are out just as bad as they are early evening. One or 4 posts is just shy of a bucket. So that's all the low spot behind the house. I don't know why this clay's so hard. We just get so much moisture behind the house. I think that's why that clay is all wet. Whew. All right, well, we'll dump that in a hole somewhere else.